I were a bird. 1. If I were a bird, life would be so beautiful. 2. There would be no restrictions in my life. 3. I could go anywhere I wanted. 4. I could fly from tree to tree. 5. I could eat sweet ripe fruits from trees. 6. My life would be so different from now. 7. If I were a singing bird, I could sing melodious songs. 8. If I were a migratory bird, I could travel from country to country. 9. I could be tension-free flying in the sky. 10. Life would be so cool, so easy.